That's fine. Chris Hughton is not a magician. Historically, he's not proven to be a magician anywhere he's gone. He's coached clubs to relegation. He's struggled. Teams, He struggled so much. So if he's coaching a Ghana that is going through the worst crisis of their life, players have been accused of voodooism. Players have been accused of fighting against each other, witch hunting each other. This is something that we used to have in Nigeria, okay? If this is the best time for Chris Hughton to come, I don't think it should be, because one, there's going to be a strong culture shift coming from England, where the only vices, or there are only two vices in England, women and alcohol. And then you now come to Ghana, where the vices is women, alcohol, money, family, distraction, and then voodooism. I don't think Chris Hughton understands the road he's going to walk on. He might say all those things he wants to say in the dressing room, trying to inspire them, trying to push them, but more, I think Chris Hughton is a tourist coming to Ghana to collect some good Ghanaian fund, good money. Because Ghana happens to be one of the countries that have the highest budget for its national team. Ghana is the only country in the whole of Africa that have a separate ministry for just the Black Stars of Ghana. There is a ministry. The way you have the Ministry of Sports is separate. Then there is a ministry for Black Star, and they budget massively for it. And the budget comes directly from the presidency. It doesn't go through Congress. It doesn't go through anything. It's uninterrupted budget. So Ghana have money to spend. But would Chris Hughton just come in, walk into the dressing room and change it? Why the Super Eagles was able to lift was because they brought in someone who's been around as a football director, who knows the Super Eagles, who understands the Super Eagles. I'm not sure Chris Hughton have watched Ghana play, consistently. I'm not sure he understands. I'm not sure when he meets his players, apart from the ones playing in England, he will know their name, like know how to pronounce their name. I'm not sure he would even learn how to talk chalet, he be say this one, he be say that one, before he will take up the job. And people say that, football does not know tribes or language. It's a lie. Communication is the reason why Unai Emery failed at Arsenal. It's not because he's not a good coach. He's a great coach, as a matter of fact. And he proved it when he left Arsenal and went to lowly rated Villarreal, who would not won anything in forever. And he won the Europa Cup, beating Arsenal in the semi-finals and beating Manchester United in the finals. But if you don't have good communication, good understanding, and the psychology of the people you're coaching, it's going to be a problem. Would it work for Nigerian advantage? It's a two-way street. If the Ghanaian players want to go to the World Cup at all costs, like you saw of Chelsea in 2012, Roberto Di Matteo didn't win the Champions League for them. The players decided, you know what, let's go out with a bang, and they won the Champions League. If the Ghanaian player says, you know what, let's go to the World Cup and redeem ourselves from what Comoros did to us after our pride that led to our fall, they might be a very big banana peel or a big shocker. I don't want to call Ghana a banana peel because you might make them look like they're small. A big shocker for Nigeria. But if we're going to go by the reality of coaching, I think signing Hughton is an advantage for Nigeria, because they're signing a coach who does not understand the team is going to coach, and that might just lead to their downfall.